Do your Bose QC35 earpads look like this? Gross and tearing? Don't worry, we got you covered. We got a kit right here ready to replace your earpads. Nice and easy, takes like 1 minute, 2 minutes maybe. So we'll start with this side here. You're just gonna pull your earpad away like this. You're gonna pop up this piece under here. You'll have this, throw that to the side, and then you'll take off this as well. And we can pop this side off as well and take out the inner ear. Then we will bust open our pack. We'll start with this side, which is actually the right side. It just looks like the left while it's laying down, but we'll throw this in there like this. Nice and fit. Doesn't need to be like super snug, just in the right spot. And then to put this ear pad in, you see these little pegs here on the edge of the ear cup. You're just going to slide this into those pegs. So I like to slide the top one in and then go around like this and pop each one in by pulling it away from me. You'll hear a pop every time you get one in. All right, and then once you've got them all popped in, you can test by just kind of pulling this up. And if none of it is coming up, then you've got it popped in. We'll switch to the other side. Again, we'll place that in the middle. And then we will put this on top. And you can kind of bend these just a little bit to get them to fit into place. And make sure they're all clipped in. This one looks like they're all clipped in. And now we have new ear pads on our Bose QC35s.